as a Rivers woman?
Well, first of all, is that this period is the Holy Week. So the color in the Holy Week is red. The blue is because we are Rivers women, and blue is our color as a state. And what does it mean to me? Well, you saw that we started by praying. We've been praying. The Rivers Women Unites for Sim is a group that has consistently prayed for Rivers State long before now, and for His Excellency Governor Siminalayi Fubara. We definitely do not think and did not imagine that Rivers State will be under a state of emergency. For what? Even at the height of provocation, you can see the place is still peaceful. Nobody's fighting. Even at the height of provocation. How is it that it is only in Rivers State that you suspended democracy? How is it that it is only in Rivers State that you're saying that our governor, the person that we went to the polls to elect, should no longer sit in government house? Who does that? It is an affront on democracy. It is a slap on our faces. It is telling us that we do not matter in the Committee of States of Nigeria. It hurts. It is grieving for me as a mother, as a Rivers woman, as a daughter. It brings me enormous grief. What are you saying to us? And we know that our president is somebody who stands for democracy. So we can't understand this. We can't understand it. It is something that is shocking. It is something that is unbelievable. It is something that is unacceptable. We hope that the president will very quickly bring back our governor. Because the man who is in government house, we don't know him. We don't know him. We don't understand who he is. We didn't vote for him.
So how long will Rivers women continue that?
We will pray until something happens. We will pray until something happens.